Places in the north and northeast get winter rainfall. India does not receive winter rainfall due to the southeast trade winds. Tamil Nadu receives winter rainfall because of retreating monsoons and northeast monsoons winds, which pass over the Bay of Bengal. They get moisture, and when they reach the Tamil Nadu coast, they cause rainfall. There, during the winter season, the northeast trade winds prevail over the country. These winds blow from land to land and hence give no rain to the country. However, before entering Tamil Nadu, these winds blow over the Bay of Bengal. Thus, they become moisture laden and cause rainfall. And at last, we are going to have a video about sea and land breeze. Different heating abilities. Water takes a bit more time to warm up and is able to retain the heat longer than land does. Sea breeze. In the day, when the sun is up, the land heats up very quickly and the air above it warms up a lot more than the air over the water. Sea breeze. The warm air over the land is less dense and begins to rise. Low pressure is created. The air pressure over the water is higher because colder and denser air sinks above the water. High pressure is created. The air moves to occupy the space created over the land. The cool air that comes along is called a sea breeze. When the sun sets, the land cools down quickly and the difference in pressure disappears. The sea breeze stops. Land breeze. In the night, the reverse happens. The water retains its warmth. This means the air over the water is warmer, less dense, and begins to rise. Low pressure forms over the water. Colder and denser air over the land sinks. High pressure forms. Now air moves to the water surface. A cool breeze forms the land. The land breeze blows. This is the video about sea breeze and land breeze. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Special thanks to Rehan and team. Thank you to watch this video.